In today's conversational world, personalized solutions on preferred channels help businesses connect with their customers better and drive higher loyalty. Introducing Twixor, a low-code, no-code messaging and automation platform that accelerates your business objectives by transforming customer experience. Run personalized campaigns, onboard customers, complete transactions, automate support services across channels like WhatsApp, Google Business Messenger, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, Telegram, or any messaging platform. Replace old-school customer service approach by integrating our conversational AI with the latest IVR technology to deliver instant resolution and reduce overall operational cost up to 60% based on understanding customers' emotion, sentiment, and intent. For instance, checking account balance, transferring funds, and raising checkbook requests, checking insurance claim status, booking health checkups, ordering groceries, making payment and tracking deliveries, booking air tickets, and checking in. All you need to do is build templatized drag-and-drop visual journeys in preferred languages. Deploy on your customers' preferred messaging channels. Engage them with hyper-personalized features. With Twixor, you can increase revenue, reduce operating costs, and streamline customer journeys. Deliver the experience your customer deserves in today's conversational world. For large enterprises and small businesses alike, built by technophiles across the globe.